Okay, I got my 2 posts in for my gate. You can see that this one's a little bit higher now I'm out here, but that's okay. It's gonna be a level gate. They're both down as far as I could go, about 23.5 inches, and they're approximately 21 feet apart. Gate's sitting in my garage, and I can have that up tomorrow. It's gonna look great. And not gonna have a lock on it or anything, just to keep everybody honest, keep them off of there while it's like yesterday. It rained all day, and then last night, and the runway's a little bit wet, but it's not mushy. It's just, you can tell there's some moisture in it. So I don't really drive cars on it or anything like that. So that's progress for today. And as you know, we got our final inspection last Wednesday, and we were approved and signed off and all that stuff. So I'm real happy about that. Okay, talk to you later. Got the runway straight ahead of you, and the gate is way off to the side, so it's not even in the way. And boy, the gate looks good. I like it. Good. Also, but that's what I like to do in life, is to repurpose things and to make them look like they belong. And brand new is not necessarily mean good either. And it's pretty level. This side's a little higher, so I had to bring it down to get level on the post. And the pole that's in the concrete in the ground is standing higher just because the terrain is higher there. Runway. And I got a very simple little way to open it up. It stays exactly where you put it, and it's great for when you need to drive in. It's perfect. I'm going to do a little trimming on this tree, but not much. But there it is. Just couldn't ask for more. And just to show you one more time how that works. Go to either side. And it gives the appearance like there's just a solid gate there. That's the progress for this week. And hope you enjoy it.